And this is the Gulu GT160 dual portable tire inflator. Honestly, it's one of those things that just makes sense to keep in your car. And what I like right away is that it's cordless, compact, and it's pretty easy to use. Doesn't feel bulky, and it's something you can just keep in the trunk without taking up too much space. You don't really have to overthink it. You just hook it up to the tire, set the PSI you want, hit start, and it does the work. The screen's easy to read, and I like that it shows the pressure in real time, so you can actually see what's going on instead of just guessing. And the biggest thing for me about this is the dual cylinder setup, which makes inflating so much faster, and that's kind of what I want with something like this. Now, if I'm dealing with a low tire, I just want to get the air in and get going. I also really like the auto shut-off feature. So all you do is set it, press the power, and then it's good. And that's honestly one of the best parts for me. You just set it and you don't have to babysit it. When it's done, it's done. It's a great feature. Love it. And to me, this is one of those products that you're not going to use all the time, but when you need it, you're going to be glad that you have it. It's practical, easy to store, and just a smart thing to have on hand, especially for low tire pressure, topping things off, or for those random moments when you need it fast. Overall, I think it's a really good, solid, portable inflator if you want something simple, convenient, and easy to use.